After adding a drive to the array, you must expand the virtual drive to utilize the additional 960 GB from 1.92 TB to 2.88 TB. From the controller main menu, navigate to the array A. Select List Logic Drives. Select the target logical drive. Click Extend Logic Drive. Click Submit Changes. A Extend Logical Drive Operation Successful message will be displayed. Click back to Main menu. Then go to Logical Drives Details. The logical drive size will now show as 2.88 TB. At this stage, you must expand the OS partition to utilize the additional space. Please note the steps vary depending on the installed operating system.